Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have permission to change input options. This prevents unexpected blocks later. Once ready, open Settings quickly. Press the Windows key, type Settings, and hit Enter. Then navigate to Time and Language and select Language and Region or Typing, depending on your Windows version. You're aiming for Advanced Keyboard or Input options. This is where the language switching hotkeys live. Don't pause, move directly to the Input or Keyboard Settings pane to find the next controls. Once in the Input settings, choose Advanced Keyboard Settings or the related typing link. This exposes language hotkeys. You will see a link labeled Input Language Hotkeys or Language Bar Options. Click it to open Text Services and Input Languages. Then select the Advanced Key Settings tab and press Change Key Sequence to reveal which shortcut toggles languages. This is critical because the shortcut is there by design. You'll now be ready to remove or disable that exact key sequence. You now disable the shortcut. Set both Switch Input Language and Switch Keyboard Layout to Not Assigned, then click Apply and OK. Once done, test by pressing the previous shortcut combination. It should no longer change languages. If switching persists, make sure to check third-party keyboard or hotkey utilities and restart Windows Explorer or reboot to force settings reload. That single troubleshooting tip, verify external apps, usually resolves lingering behavior when system controls appear correctly configured, but the shortcut still works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.